Hello and welcome to Dr. Max. Today we are diving into a question that affects people across every age group, from teenagers to seniors. The question is, what should someone with anemia eat? If you have ever felt tired for no clear reason, had pale skin, or even found yourself short of breath with mild activity, then iron deficiency could be the reason. Let's get straight to the point. Iron deficiency anemia is the most common type of anemia worldwide. It means your body isn't getting or absorbing enough iron, which is essential for building healthy and red blood cells. Now, here is something many people don't realize. Iron carries oxygen in your blood. So, without enough iron, your energy drops, your muscles struggle, and even your brain can feel foggy. Do you know what the signs of low iron are? Let me tell you these signs: constant fatigue, weakness and dizziness, cold hands and feet, frequent headaches, and pale or yellowish skin tone. Now, let's break down what to eat, because food is one of the best and safest ways to fix anemia. So, here is the big question: what should a person with anemia eat every day? Let's start with two major types of iron in your food. The first one is heme iron, which comes from animal sources and is absorbed very efficiently by the body. The second one is non-heme iron, which comes from plants and is slightly harder to absorb but still very valuable. Now, here is your iron-rich foods list from animal sources. These are gold standard if you are not vegetarian. These foods include chicken or beef liver, lean red meat like beef or lamb, turkey, especially dark meat, seafood like clams and oysters. These are rich in heme iron, which your body can absorb faster and more completely. But what if you are vegetarian? No problem at all. Let's go through the top plant-based sources of iron. And at the top of the list are lentils and beans like chickpeas or black beans, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds, spinach, kale, and beet greens, tofu and soybeans, fortified cereals and whole grains like quinoa, dried fruits like apricots, raisins, and prunes. Here is a smart tip: pair your iron-rich meals with vitamin C foods. Why? Because vitamin C improves iron absorption dramatically. Examples include oranges, bell peppers, kiwis, and tomatoes. Now, let's flip the coin. What should people with anemia avoid? Here are some common iron blockers: tea and coffee, especially when taken with meals, dairy products and calcium supplements, which compete with iron for absorption, high phytate foods like raw legumes or whole grains unless soaked or sprouted. Antacids, if overused, can reduce the stomach acid needed for iron uptake. So here is how you plan your meals like a pro. Breakfast should include fortified cereals plus sliced kiwi plus water. For lunch, you can consume chickpea curry with lemon, brown rice, and spinach salad. For snack between lunch and dinner, you can include a handful of dried apricots plus pumpkin seeds. And for dinner, the best options are grilled tofu or lean meat, broccoli stir fry, and sweet potatoes. Now, a question I get asked often from patients: do I need supplements? And the answer is, if your iron levels are very low, you can take iron tablets or syrup. Here is how to take iron supplements properly. Take it on an empty stomach if you can tolerate it. Avoid milk, tea, and antacids within 2 hours of taking it. Combine it with vitamin C, like a glass of lemon water or orange juice. Watch for side effects like constipation or nausea, as these are common but manageable. Now a question arises, how long will it take to feel better? Most people feel a noticeable improvement in energy within 2 to 3 weeks, but full recovery of iron stores can take 2 to 3 months or more, so consistency is a key. Let's go deeper now into the less talked but powerful strategies for beating anemia in the long run. Don't forget the iron co-stars. Your body needs more than just iron to build blood. You also need vitamin B12 for red blood cell production, folate to help cells divide and mature, vitamin A to move iron from storage into red blood cells. If you are still tired despite normal iron, these may be the missing links. Another important concern is that maybe your gut is blocking the recovery. If your lab tests show low ferritin but you are eating iron daily, it could be a gut issue. Conditions like celiac disease, Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, low stomach acid, which is common with aging, can slightly stop your body from absorbing iron. Also, you need to check for invisible blood loss. Here is something most people miss. You could be losing small amounts of blood through your gut or urinary tract without even knowing. If iron stores are not improving, ask for stool occult blood tests or imaging scans. Iron for young girls and pregnant women is another important concern. Iron needs skyrocket during pregnancy and teenage growth. Skipping meals, dieting, or heavy periods increase the risk. Therefore, in the conditions, prioritize iron-rich foods like lean meats, eggs, dates, and molasses. Finally, your iron story is personal. Some people need iron daily, others just weekly. Women versus men, active versus sedentary. Lifestyles, it all matters. There is no one-size-fits-all plan. Therefore, track your energy, test regularly, and build a custom iron habit that works for you. So let's sum it all up. If you are dealing with iron deficiency, anemia, your path to better health starts in the kitchen. Choose smart, iron-rich foods, time your meals wisely, avoid known iron blockers, and supplement only if your doctor recommends it. If you like this video, show your support by subscribing to Dr. Max. Share this video with someone you care about. And let me know in the comments if you want a personalized food plan for anemia. Stay strong, stay informed, and take charge of your health. This is Dr. Max signing off until next time.